Dear student, dear students, in this video, I'm discussing about the how to make chapter 9, chapter 10, and so on. It's not like only specifically chapter 9 and 10, last chapters before conclusion and future scope, before that results and discussions, before that if you want to add source code. So how to make all those things. For example, chapter 9, source code. Source code, I'm making it as a Times New Roman 16. So here I'm taking an example project as a this one, A15 batch. So Control Alt, Control C, the entire source code, the entire source code. So then after the source code, chapter 10, it's important. Chapter 10, results and discussions. So discussions, not results and discussion. Bold 16. Here we should have multiple subsections. 10.1, implementation. I will tell what exactly implementation. 10.2, data set. 10.3, results analysis. 10.4, comparative analysis. So first, 10.1 implementation is common for every project. So as we have copied this code, source code, so check the title names properly. Check the title names properly like this. Copy the source code. Yeah, open any one of the AI platform. Paste the source code. Then simple. Explain above source code as implementation description in perfect bullet points based paragraphs like this. Yeah, see here it is displaying. We are created a GUI. We are making the uploading buttons. We are making the data pre-processing and splitting exactly what exactly with variables as per the code. What are the algorithms we are using? What is the existing algorithm? What is the proposed algorithm? Like this. So if it is given any wrong details, we need to modify it carefully. It's about prompt engineering. Sometimes it will give the wrong outputs also. In that case, we need to modify them properly. So again, here I am pasting it. See, again, here we shouldn't have these kind of lines. Same, entire manuscript must be 1.5 spacing. 10.1 implementation. So this one 10.1 will be 14 point. See here, it's again blunder. The given Python script is not the source code of project implements. Yes, obviously, if we are using the any kind of analytical online tools, we shouldn't discuss open uply like this. So see here, unnecessary means this tkinter is okay, main window is okay. So if you want to make some bold, remove the bolds like this. Remove the bold like this. It should be proper like this, much proper. Yes, obviously it won't come first time as my AI means in the laptop, in my laptop, my AI is I gave a lot of commands. So It is obviously give properly as per my criteria. For you, it might may or may not be give properly. Next, dataset description. Again, it is important. So for image processing people, it's not like that. For CSV, dataset in terms of CSV or Excel, it will be same for all. Open the dataset, open the dataset, copy the column names, this one, like this. Copy the column names, paste the column names. Don't remove the file, save. In the same chart, in the same chart, not different chart, in the same chart. Same. Explain about data set columns in perfect bullet points based paragraphs. Yeah, as the number of columns are more, it's coming like that. Simply, the answer will be simple. At least best 30 column. Here I am mentioning best 30 columns. If it is not giving simple, I'm copying it again, pasting. If it is won't give like that in bullet points, I'm showing the alternative. Explain the data set description in two detailed paragraphs as per above columns. If it is columns are less, that's not a good way. If columns are more, like this. The data set is about insider threats detection. See, like this. It is asking me the question. Is it about the what kind of data set it is? So I gave the answer. Again, same. Simply copy the data set description, but don't make it for always paragraphs. I'm preferring the itself bullet points uh for each column, two to three lines for each column. Again, the given data set is not the data set considered, the data set used in this work, in this work is designed. So if you have any specifically any data set name, sometimes we may have some data set names. So mention the data set name. For example, this is the CERT database. This is the CERT database. In that case, you can ask the explanation, explain, same, explain as per CERT data set of insider threats. So again, I'm using the search option because what is CERT? It will search from internet. See, like this. We can also able to copy this, what exactly CERT. So it should have these kind of details also. So this is about the dataset description. We must describe the data sets. Then after results analysis, it is much important. See, it is much important and time taking. So simple. Here we need to execute our code. We need to execute our code and we need to run our outcomes. Here, I'm running the core Python main py. Same. First, this is the home screen. Print screen. I'm printing the screen and I'm copy pasting. So try to remove this date bar. Yes, obviously, preferable is try to remove the date bar because sometime after 1 year or after 2 years, the applicability of the date bar is not good. So if it is good presented, no problem, but try to remove the date bar. So what is this first screen? Figure 1, home screen, home screen or UI, user interface, UI of research work. Next, see, upload data set, select data set. So here, take this also one screenshot because you need to show the data set is being uploaded. Figure 2, data set uploading. Like that, figure 2, select the data set. If you get any kind of outcomes, like kind of this kind of visualizations, for example, this kind of visualizations, print screen again, figure 3, data set uploaded. But it is important, don't, if you want to add this one, save figure, some figure 1, yeah, exactly. Figure 1, save figure. So I will tell what exactly we need to do. Here, if you are getting any outcomes, copy this. Yes, we can obviously copy these outcomes. So paste it in below this one. I pasted it in below the one, below one. So here you can remove this figure, small figure also. It means you can take print screen like this and paste like this and see here. A15. Exactly. Sorry. I think I saved it. See, sorry, I saved in A13. So like this, we can copy the figure 1. We can copy the figure 1, that whatever the name we saved. Here we need to I pasted it. Same. Figure 4, count plot of target. Count plot of target. So what exactly it is having? Normal. I am writing it manually. Normal have, so normal having 300, insider attack having around 200, like this approximate values. I'm not having exact values. I write it down manually. So like that. Then after, same, pre-process and split data set. Same, take print screen. Same, add it, figure 5, figure 5. Yeah, figure 5. Yeah, figure 5. Here what are the operation we did? Train test splitting. Train test splitting. Like that. Same. Here, copy this one and again paste below. I copied and pasted below. So then after, see, it is important from here onwards. Run random forest. We need to save confusion matrix also. Save the confusion matrix figure same within the same folder. Yeah, this one. A15. Like better save RFC confusion matrix to avoid the clarity issues. RFC confusion matrix, close it, take print screen. Again, print it. See here, again, in this code, the classification report is missing. If you have anyone is missing with the classification report, try to contact us and we will add the classification report in the code also. Classification report also important for the classification tasks. So for time being, it's not there. So classification, I'm copying the outcomes. Again, I'm pasting it below. Like that, we need to do for every button. We need to do for every button. Then after run AdaBoost, same. Save the AdaBoost confusion matrix. AdaBoost confusion matrix. Same. Copy the values. Here, take this print screen also. Here, I forgot to add the figure number. Figure 6. Figure 6 RFC existing. Mention clearly. Existing RFC performance. Performance analysis. Existing AdaBoost performance analysis. Like that, we need to add buttons. So figure names properly. Like that. Again, I will do lastly proposed one. Proposed AdaBoost. Figure 7. Figure 7. Proposed AdaBoost performance. AdaBoost performance. Again, copy the proposed values. Only propose. See, for AdaBoost, I write copied only AdaBoost values. Like this. Copy the values. Thereafter, see. I am like complete the all those things, including the prediction button also, prediction attack from test data like this. Prediction. Yes, for prediction also. Print screen. Some for all buttons, whatever the buttons you have, you need to. So don't make this green color, window green color to be appear. Print screen and paste all. So like that, do this for all. Then after, then try to copy it at least as 5 to 6 figures at a time, including everything like this. Try to copy 5 to 6 figures, not more than 5 to 6. It will confuse. So I copied the around 5 to 6. No need of search. So I pasted it again. See, no need of search. See, it's a simple again. Explain each figure in paragraphs. Paragraphs or single detailed paragraphs. Not much paragraphs are not needed. Single detailed paragraph with given values. It is important with given values. See, now copy this description. Paste always the description should become above and the explanation figure should become below. Somehow we can manage. See here, you need to write like according to or from figure 1, from figure 1, the user interface. Means this is the basic description of a figure 1. If you want to write it down manually, you can write it down manually, but I think for you it's not possible. It needs a lot of time. Figure 2 illustrates like that. See all these details. We need to remove this one. We need to remove this after giving the description, whatever we copied, we need to remove those details. So we need to make sure of paste all those things. So after pasting all those things, figure 7, I'm copying about figure 7 proposed. So after doing this, so for all these things, next coming to the this last topic, I think comparative analysis. 10.4 results analysis are done. Then now last topic, comparative analysis. So what exactly comparative analysis it should have? So in comparative analysis, first we need to have table. Table 1, performance comparison of various ML, various algorithms. It is better. Various algorithms. It is better. Performance comparison of various algorithms. So here, for whatever the algorithms you have, so see here, already in this description, like this, I think you won't delete the chart. I copied the just these values. Will ask, give me above values as table and explain in single detailed paragraph. So, sir, how many tables it should come here? That's the matter here. So I copy paste the table and make it as a uniform neat format. That's it. Complete. It's completed. Then after table description. Sir, how many tables should we have? I will coming to the point. So, according to your project, yes, if you print the classification report, that's what I'm saying. If you unable to print the classification report, let us know. We will make change the code, change in the code. We will make sure that classification report also print in the code. So here table 1, table 2, according to this project, as classification report is not there, normal class performance, normal class performance. Similarly, I will show you for other project or else just a second. I'm adding the code in this video itself. If you have missed with the classification report, please add like this from your end, or else if you contact us, we will add classification report. We need to declare here variables are white test, small white test, predict target class names, labels. Okay, that's it. Upload data set. See this one, classification report. So like this, copy this before the, means if you will definitely will get Copy here means entire one within this. See, after copying it, it's mandatory you should delete those values. I'm copying as per like this. I'm copying it, but it's mandatory that you need to delete those values after giving the figure description. After giving the figure description, you should mandatorily delete those values. So we have like these values. I will copy here it directly itself. Then after AdaBoost, AdaBoost from here to here it's AdaBoost. AdaBoost values I copied directly. Then after proposed XGBoost. Here button is pressing means code is still running. See, I'm copying values. Shift enter to write in a next line. Shift enter. So simple. Here, give me values as per not table, multiple tables. If we mention word multiple tables, it will understand. Tell paragraph for each table. Yes, for all algorithms, we should write like this only. See, first overall performance table. Again, random forest, AdaBoost, proposed classification report. Yes, again, I am not satisfied. I will give the question like, give me comparison table for normal class and insider attack class. That doesn't mean above or wrong. Above also we need to add insider attack and its description. So I'm copying all those tables. Bring it here. In the tables description, I pasted them. Table 1, performance comparison table. Table design like that neatly, right? The performance comparison table presented in table 1. Presented in table 1. You should definitely modify the corrections like this. Again, table 1, it should be middle. Like this, it should be clear and neat in this format. Remove this line. Table 2, random forest classification report. So middle, I'm making some bold. Table design. So this much neat. Again, the classification report for random forest table 2 presents the classification report for random forest like this. We need to write. We need to do this for all tables. So again, I'm not satisfied with this one. Give me separate tables for each class and single paragraph description. Like this one is good because what is the exact performance of normal class and what is the exact performance of this one insider attack class? Sometimes check properly, sometimes it may give values wrongly. you should cross verify it. Yeah, guys, we need to do like this. Page numbers are sorry, table numbers are mandatory, but it's not yet over yet. It's not yet over yet because here we are saved the confusion matrices. We didn't discuss anything regarding the confusion matrices. So we need to, I'm copying the confusion matrix, last final step, same, I'm pasting it. So it's not mandatory that for each page it should be one confusion matrix, but it should be looks neat. I'm cropping it properly. I'm removing the unnecessary content. First, always it should be existing, then after proposed. Last one, last confusion matrix should be proposed confusion matrix. Before that, we need to add existing only. Yeah, you can remove this bar, toggle bar also, it's optional. If you want to use, you can use it. Like that, make it here. So the width will be like around 5.5. This width here, 5.5. Yeah, in usual practice, I know either 5.5 or 7.5 also looks good. Okay, 7.5. Then after random forest, I'm cropping it. Don't crop the above names because you will confuse again what exactly confusion matrix for which algorithm. Seven, nine, five. Yeah, like this. At least two algorithms in one side means one after one, not more than two. Like this, give some space. 7.5, 7.5 is usual practice. Then after proposed. So not this height, this one, 7 point. See, now it's again mandatory. For every two confusion matrix, you can add a figure, or for all also you can add a figure. It's up to your wish. For example, A, B, C, figure number, not table, figure number. Whatever the last figure number, the same figure number. Confusion matrices. A, which one? A is Araboost. Dot. B, which one? Random forest. Random forest. C, which one? Proposed cat boost. Cat boost. Like this. So if you want to try to minimize, reduce like this, or better practice, for every two, add one like this. Yeah, like this minimizes it, and again use snipping tool, or if you want to use another platforms, like if you want to give single image description also, no problem. Like this, I'm copying including the figure name, cropped. Again, come back to the AI platform, same thread, explain figure 11 confusion matrices with values in two paragraphs. Example, if you want it in two paragraphs, in two paragraphs. See, it's not possible to give all at a time. Maximum we can give 3 to 4 at a time like this. It won't take much values like that. See, now it's a accurate description. Figure 11. Coming back and pasting these values. So like this, we need to do the analysis. Yes, still if you have patience, and if you want to make more beautiful for your document, you can extend it like the same figure. Sorry. Give me table for all confusion matrices in figure 11. Yes, as it is a figure 11. Figure 11. Give me table with TP, TN, FP. True positive, true negative, false positive, false negative. Yes, even though it's a multi-class classification, we need to analyze it in terms of TP, TN, FP, FPN only. So adding this table also makes your algorithm, means your documents is a much perfect. This table also much needed, like this. So from this table, we can say that our proposal has less misclassifications. Like again, copy the table, copy the table, table, table. Sub table number is mandatory. Analysis, yes, analysis of confusion matrices. So then type that spelling exactly. Yes, again copy it, copy the table back, explain it in single paragraph. Same, might be the explanation will be similar, but if you want to add explanation, you can add explanation also, like this. So this is the way to do a perfect results and analysis of any document. So thank you. I hope you understand how exactly to do the results and discussions and the main major chapter. So try to follow the video. The video is a little lengthy, but try to follow the video and complete the results and description by this Saturday itself, by this Saturday or Friday itself. Thank you.